For years, we have been tortured by the microwaves and their horrid sounds. But now, you can fight back with the ultimate microwave muter. This state-of-the-art technology that took an entire space program 12 years to develop mutes your annoying microwave. To use it, simply just slap it on there. Even better, you can change the sound of the microwave. Okay, maybe it should stay on mute. But for the price of $69.99, you can mute your microwave. No money back guarantee, and no, it does not work on children. But best of all, batteries are included. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Here is my script I wrote, and peace out.